This is going to be a quick eBay video about eBay managed payments. So I have a whole eBay playlist. Check it out if you want more info. I was on PayPal for a long time, and PayPal would take a lot of fees for every single transaction, right? So now eBay is doing managed payments. They're managing all the payments, so you don't got to pay PayPal anything, and it goes straight into your bank. And guess what? There's a lot of cool features. I'm going to run through it. So payout schedule, you determine when you want it. You could just press change. It's on the eBay managed payments page, which is super easy to find. It's in another video of mine. So once you're there, you just click this. Do you want to be paid every day, every month, every week? They're making it look like this is very similar to Amazon. You figure out where you want, which bank you want to get paid at. You add this one also, automatic payment method. And then this is one order, right? So I got an order. It's an international order. So first there was a shipping fee. So usually this would come out of my PayPal. This came out of my bank account, $13 for a lightweight international shipping fee charge. Then, so you could see this took about a week to process everything. So they took the money out of my bank account. I don't know where the hell they transferred it to. I don't know, but this is not twice. This is just, I guess, them saying, okay, we have the money. And then this was the sale. So check this out. I made a sale of $79.99 plus $13 shipping, right? So that's a total of $92.99. So I said, how much does eBay charge from its members, its people? They take a 12.35% charge. So eBay has a 10% charge automatically, and then they also take a transaction fee of 2.35%. So out of my $92.99, they took $14.98. So I am left with $78.01 after fees, right? And they just take a one-time fee. It's not like before how it was 2 fees and then PayPal's taking a fee and then you're getting a bill at the end. Like bullshit. Like it's just so much easier this way. So somebody bought something, I paid for the shipping label. By the time the funds process in pretty much around a week, I would say, the funds are coming right back. So on PayPal, they had immediate payment, right? So it would immediately go to your PayPal. PayPal would take their chunk, and then you could immediately transfer it to your bank and use it, right? With this, you're just waiting a couple of days, 2 to 3 days to process, maybe one week, it seems like, tops, to get your money if you're doing like a daily payout. So it's really not that bad. I think it's worth the wait. I saw so many videos that were scary. I would say I recommend eBay managed payments. So you don't have to fucking pay PayPal, which is great, but you do have to wait a little bit longer for your money. And if you want to get paid immediately on when someone buys something, I have videos for that. It's open to everybody. You don't even need a store. And I'm going to have a link to this guy, Michael Castaneda's page as well. He helped me revamp my eBay page. So these are all resources that you can use as well. And he told me that before I was paying like $59 for a store for 1,000 listings. eBay just changed their subscription formula. So now I'm only paying $22 for a basic store, which is giving me 1,000 listings. So I was able to reduce my cost on that, which is great because now they're trying to be like Poshmark too, where they're trying to have like 20,000 listings, 10,000 listings for all like the big sellers or the people who want to be big sellers. So anyway, I don't want to ramble on, but all that stuff's going to be in the description. Please do me a favor, like this video, follow me for more, and leave a comment if you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye.